What is inflation? Yesterday, Bob went to the store and bought one loaf of bread for $1. Today, Bob goes back to the same store. Same bread, same shelf, same Bob. But now the bread costs $2. Bob is confused. Did the bread become twice as good? No, this is inflation. Inflation means prices rise over time and your money buys less than before. Let's make it simple. Imagine Bob's town has 10 loaves of bread and $10. If there are 10 breads and $10, each bread can cost $1. But now imagine something changes. There are still only 10 loaves of bread, but now people in the town have $20. There is more money but not more bread, so people are willing to pay more for the same bread. More money is chasing the same amount of goods, so the price goes up. Now one loaf of bread costs $2. Bob still has money, but his money has less buying power. That is the important part. Inflation does not always mean Bob has less money in his hand. It means the money he has cannot buy as much as before. Inflation can also happen when things become more expensive to make. If flour costs more, bread costs more to produce. If fuel costs more, delivery becomes more expensive. If rent, wages, or materials cost more, stores may raise their prices. So inflation can come from too much money, too few goods, higher production costs, or strong demand. And this is why inflation matters. If Bob earns the same salary but food, rent, bills, and gas all become more expensive, Bob feels poorer. His paycheck may look the same, but his life costs more. So the simple definition is this. Inflation means prices go up over time and money loses buying power. Yesterday, Bob's $1 bought one loaf of bread. Today, that same dollar buys less. Bob now understands inflation. It is not just that things become more expensive. It is that money slowly loses some of its power. Bob explains money. Simple money lessons for everyone.